Hello everyone and welcome back. So this week's video is a little bit of a start to finish of one of the hats that will be going into which I think is going to be a spring summer collection, because we've almost sold out of the hats for spring, but I don't want to start the summer collection too early. So we're going to do a spring summer collection in the middle and then do another summer collection later on. That's the plan anyway. So as some of you might know, I am at college just now. So I've tied in one of my college projects with my business. So at the start of the video, you'll have seen that I picked out this sketch right here from my sketchbook. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to I've designed the hat. Now we're going to make it together. And hopefully this turns out to be quite a good video. So let's get into making a summer hat for the spring summer collection.
This
it's me again. And here it is, the finished spring summer, or part of the spring summer collection. I am actually really chuffed in how this turned out. I really like the green with the little roses on the ribbon and the brown. Brown and green just go really well. I really like it. I like that the flowers are now blooming because it's coming into summer. There is pretty flowers on the underside of the brim and it just looks fabulous. So there you have it, a start to finish of a burned hat in a flower design, which I absolutely love. I might even go and make myself some, even though I do have a lot more hats to make. I've got another collection, a shop and a festival to do. So maybe me having new hats will just have to wait. Thanks everyone for coming and hanging out. I appreciate every single one of you who come and show up every time I post a video. And if you'd like to subscribe, please do so. I will see you next time.